3. 10 seconds shot clock. Number 5, sumubok. Bang! 3-4.
Change favor, lamang ng isang labasan.
Inbound another 99. Pass number 5. Number 5. Foul. Foul number 27. Number 27. First personal foul. First team foul. Second na ba? Second team foul na. Sabi ko foul. Number 27. Sabi ko team 5. Second. Second draw. Good. 4-1.
Paso.
2. Pass to number 3. 15 seconds shot clock. Number 5. Good. 4-2.
37-34. 3-point lead by Labasan. Point lead by Royal Knights. Score is 42-39.
Sa long 2. Wala na kay number 7. Number 7. Number 10. Pass to number 5. Number 5. Attack the ball. Good.
73-69. 4 points ang inaabol ng Royal Knights. 4-point lead.
Sige po. Substitution.
May Labasan.
Oy. Natak kayo sa batas. Number 4. Pass to number 10. Hindi. Natanggal yung shoes. Napakawala ng board. Pass to number
77-71. 6 points ang inaabol ng Royal Knights.
Number 0. Labang ng anim ang Labasan. Number 20. Good on. Number 99. Another foul. Foul number 20. Number 20.